Hello and welcome back! Today we're doing another book club, this time with special guest Arthur. And the book that we will be doing is called Goodnight Construction Site. So, Arthur, tell me, why do you like this book?
Because it's so special.
Because it's so special. Why is it special, do you think?
Because I love it.
That's a good reason. Sometimes I love things because they're special, and sometimes things are special because I love them. That's very good. And this book is about a construction site, right?
Yes.
And a bunch of construction trucks. And what are they doing in the book?
Fixing stuff.
They're fixing stuff, because that's what construction trucks do, right? But then, when the workday's done, what do?
Go to sleep.
They go to sleep. Do you go to sleep at night?
Yes.
How do you go to sleep at night? What do you do when you go to sleep?
Just pray.
Yeah. You say your prayer?
Yeah.
And then what do you do?
And then you just or snore or something.
Snore or something? Yeah. Sometimes I snore too, I think. But you like this book because it's special and because it has construction trucks in it, right?
Yeah. Sometimes when it's night, I go to. And when it's night.
Yeah, that's a good thing to do at nighttime.
Yeah.
Your body needs rest so that you can have a good day, right?
Yeah.
Have you ever had a bad night's sleep?
Yeah.
Yeah, and do you feel kind of sad and grumpy the next day?
Yeah, but.
Yeah. It's better when you get a good night's sleep, isn't it?
Yeah.
But you like construction trucks a whole lot, don't you?
Yeah.
You have some other books that have construction trucks in them too, right?
Yeah.
So tell me about construction trucks. What are your favorite kinds of construction trucks?
Well, a boy gave me this.
A boy gave you this?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that you got this one from you got this one from a little boy?
Yeah.
I think you got it while you were at Dilly's ballet practice. Is that right?
Yeah.
Something like that. So tell me about the construction trucks that you like. What kind of trucks do you like?
Diggers.
Diggers?
Cement trucks.
You like the cement trucks? You want to show us the cement truck that you brought with us today? It's a little one, but there's our cement truck. What do cement trucks do?
Roll.
They roll. It rolls around and around.
And I put some clean liquid out.
Yep, they pour it out.
Yeah.
And they make a good hard sidewalk or something. Yeah, or foundation.
Or a trampoline.
They make trampolines? I didn't know that. Interesting. I think you're being silly. What other trucks do you like? What kind of truck is that?
And I like these.
Yeah. Yeah, what kind is that?
Digger.
That's a digger. Is it an excavator?
Yeah. Different kind of diggers or excavators.
Yeah, an excavator is a different kind of digger, isn't it?
Yeah.
Kind of like a bulldozer. Well, the bulldozer doesn't dig, it just kind of pushes the dirt, right?
Yeah.
And the excavator digs big, deep holes, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Do you know any other books about excavators?
I have two books, and that will be all of these.
2 books like this?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So,
and that will be all.
and that's all, yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. What's your favorite picture in this book?
That one, but
Because it's the cement mixer?
yeah.
Cement mixer is one of your favorite kind of trucks, isn't it?
Whoa.
He matches. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, the cement mixer is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Is that your favorite truck in this book?
Yeah.
Yeah, good choice. All right. If you had any kind of truck that you could ride in, what kind of truck would you ride in?
We saw a truck last year.
We did when they were tearing up our street.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you remember what kind of truck that was?
Let's see. Lots of trucks.
That's true. They had a whole bunch of trucks right outside our house, and it was the best day ever.
And we got out of our house, and we saw them.
And we stood in the yard and we watched them tear up the streets, didn't we? And then they poured new asphalt.
Yeah.
We watched the asphalt reclaimer, right? And there was the little skid loader.
Yeah.
And there were some big dump trucks.
And sweeps.
There was the sweeper truck afterwards. It swept up all the little extra pieces, right?
And a roller truck.
Yeah, the roller truck to make it nice and flat.
I got it here.
Yeah. There's the concrete mixer. Which do you like better, concrete mixer or roller trucks?
A roller truck.
Yeah, those are very cool.
But we call these roller trucks.
Yeah, because sometimes we call concrete mixers roller trucks too, because they roll around to keep the concrete mixing
Yeah.
and keep it from drying inside.
Yeah.
Well, very cool. Well, thank you so much for joining me for our book talk. That was really great. Can you say bye-bye? We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Thank you.